Everyone, welcome back to Free Talent. Today we are back with a new video, which is a solar power bank. Let's get started. To start with, I'll show you what all components we need today. We need wire, we need soldering lead, soldering and a cutter, and obviously the power bank which I have ordered from China, from AliExpress obviously. So this is the power bank case. This is the battery which I'm using. It's a Samsung battery, 3-volt batteries, 2200 mAh. So I'm using 4 batteries of it so that it can give a good backup. And I've taken this batteries from an old laptop. Actually, like using an old laptop battery will cost you lesser. Actually, I got this 4 batteries just for 30 rupees in the local market. I'll cut some wire here to solder. We need 6 connections to solder LED light, solar panel and the batteries. So I am taking 5 centimeter of it. This is the solar panel connections. So I have taken the wires here. I'll show you the connections in the motherboard. Okay, this is a solar panel where I am connecting the negative terminal, and this side it is positive. This is the LED which we will be using in this, and the connections will be here. Okay, and there is one more connection which is for battery. This is positive and this is negative. Let me go ahead and show you the soldering. I am just dipping the soldering wires here. Now since everything is ready, I am just applying little paste on the motherboard so that when I am soldering it gets connected properly. So I have applied the paste to all the connections. Basically there are 6 connections, so I will solder all the 6 connections here. So I'm taking the negative terminal which I'm using a black color. First I'll connect to the battery terminal. This is how I have connected. Now let me go ahead and solder this. And also the soldering gun which I'm using is also brought from China itself. Actually the products work fine for me. I don't know about others, but it works fine for me. So let me just go ahead and connect this, and let me start with soldering now. So let me zoom in so that it is clearly visible. Yeah, now it is done. So I've connected the negative terminal. I'm going with the positive now. Since I'm done with the battery connections, I will show you how to solder the LED of it. So I showed you the 2 terminals, and here is a LED panel. I will solder even in this so that we can use the LED. This is the negative terminal of the LED. Yeah, the soldering is done with this. I'm connecting the positive terminal now. The lights were a little bright, so it was not visible. And guys, if you have any suggestions, any feedback for us, please do share that. It helps us to improve our channel, and whatever mistakes we are doing, I know that you guys would understand that. Definitely please go in the comment box and let us know what feedbacks or what suggestions do you have for us. So this is the LED cover. It is an acrylic sheet which they have given for the protection of the LED, and the cases also looks good now after it is closed. Now only the solar panel and the battery is left out. Since we have connected the LED, now we will go ahead and solder the battery and the solar panel. I'll show you the next connections of it. I'm taking the solar panel now. There are 2 connections. If you look closely, positive and negative, we need to connect that properly so that it works. Okay, now the soldering is also done for the solar panel. If you see my soft light which I am using, due to which there is a light which is coming on. I have soldered the batteries also. If you can see, I have connected everything in the parallel. Okay, so that the amp is increased and the voltage is the same, because we need 3.3 volt batteries here, and the output will obviously be around 5, so that it charge our Android phone. And I will show you how much charge is there in this batteries for now, because I don't want to make any fake videos. If you see in the multimeter, it is above 3 volts, so I need to charge so that it comes up to a little more, so that we can go ahead and charge our phone after connecting to the motherboard of the power bank. So let me go ahead and connect this. Sorry. So let me go ahead and connect this. If you see in the power bank, there is a LED which is glowing because of the light which is falling on the solar panel. If I keep my hand, it goes off. So I'm connecting the batteries also now. The battery positive terminal is connected. I will also go ahead and connect the negative terminal, so that our connection is complete for the battery. We are done with the battery connections. Now you can see everything looks fine. I just need to like close the case now, so that we can test our power bank. So I am just closing the case. The case is made out of aluminum, so even if it falls down, so it will not be a problem for you. The benefit of the solar panel having in this power bank is really useful when you go out on a trekking or on a mountain trip, or wherever there is no power source, like remote areas and all of that. There you can easily charge your phones, because nowadays phones is our life. So we can go ahead and charge our phone any given point of time, even if there is no electricity there. Solar panel will help there. And actually the cost of this cost me around only 200 rupees and 30 rupees for the battery. So total 230 rupees, I got a power bank which works everywhere. If you can see this, my soft light is like giving the little power on this, and the LED is glowing. So let me show you the LED panel which they have given here. It is super bright, and it is said by them it is 10 watt. Okay, so it can brighten your 10 by 10 room easily. When there is a outage of power, you can go ahead and easily use this. So I'm connecting to the charger. Just go ahead and let's charge our power bank first, because we need to like have more than 4 volts here to charge our phone. So we will go ahead and charge for some time, and then we will connect to our phones, and we'll see how it works. This is done. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Also do comment and let us know your feedback.